Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi wireless mouse 2. So this mouse comes with a very minimalist design and it comes in two colors. The first color is Moonlight White, which you see here, and the second color is all black. It comes with a USB connector, so you can connect it to any device. Whenever you connect this USB device, and you have to just press this button from the Xiaomi orange to green, it will turn on the mouse and your device will be connected with your mouse. So another feature of this is that it comes with a minimalist design, and there are magnets here which it uses to connect it with the body of the mouse. It uses a AA battery here. It also comes with a AA battery. Here I have replaced it because I have been using it for about a year. You might have to get a really nice Energizer or Toshiba battery, because I added a low quality battery and it did not work with it. So there are some issues with this product which I faced, as I have been using it for a year now. So what happened with me was that the click up on the left side stopped working, and I had to use a lot of force to get the click button to work. So what I had to do was I tried a hack for that. What I did is I added some double tape here. As you can see, I have attached double tape so that the click became a bit easier to click and I did not have to use any force. And another issue which I have been facing recently is that whenever I drag an item or I have to select a couple of folders or files, it just seems to be not working as well as it was before, and I have to sometimes use a force and retry a couple of times, as it does not select or drag the products. Overall, it's a very minimalist design. You have to hand it over to the Xiaomi team. They made it a very beautiful design considering the price of the product. It's very easy to use and it sits very comfortably. It might not be comparable with the premium products out there, but considering the price, it's a really good value for money. Especially these lines in this moon white color really pop up when you put it on your work desk. And I have had a couple of compliments by people saying that that's a very sleek design and it's very easy to use. And the roller you see here is textured. You might have to clean it up a couple of times and it might not get cleaned properly as well, but the roller is really good. And you have to, the sound, I really like the sound. I don't like the old devices, but the sound, it is very quiet. And let's just compare it with a mouse, an old mouse. You see the sound is very quiet and I really enjoy this sound as well. I don't like the old sound of tick tick. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. And I have some other Xiaomi products as well. I'm a frequent user of them and I really found their products very advanced and value for money. So thanks guys.